Introducing the star product from TIANSHI, our non-fluoride powder coating texture agent. This product can replace traditional fluoride texture agents, achieving the same quality effect. It's characterized by a low addition amount, fine texture, high cost effectiveness, and resistance to wear and scratches. When added to powder coatings, it physically separates and mattifies, giving your coating a pleasant feel, durability, and scratch resistance. Additionally, it boasts a high extrusion efficiency, minimal equipment wear, and delivers a delicate and even surface effect with an exceptional feel. During the powder coating process, it can withstand temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Celsius without emitting smoke, making it environmentally friendly. Moreover, our product is free from harmful substances like PFAS, complying with European standards. We recommend an addition amount of 3 to 6%. For sample requests, feel free to send us a private message. Repeat this information as needed, and remember, quality and safety are at the heart of our products.